Lennox running on a low ambient kit. It's got a Sentry fan motor. It's from 2008 and it's a 5-ton. Very quiet. It's currently I think like 60 degrees right now. I am back at this place again, and here are these reams. They're not running right now. Here are these two Ream Corsairs. And this one's actually had the fan motor replaced since I was here last. It's got a Gentech fan motor. It's got a benchmark scroll compressor. 2004 5-ton. And then here are these Bryant units. This one's running. Data sheet's faded. Here's this one. – 2003 4-ton. And then here's some more units. They're not running right now. There's a Weather King over there. It's not running. It's got a benchmark scroll. 2007 4-ton. Here's some more units. Here's a Lennox and a Ream. There's another one over there. And it's running. – 2006 4-ton. Or wait, actually it's a 5-ton. That one's kind of noisy. And this Lennox is still running. Anyways, thanks for watching.